How to delete your Discord account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can disable or permanently delete your Discord account. So there are basically two aspects of this. The first one is temporary and the second one is permanent. So let me show you how to do this. So for doing this, go to the settings of your Discord account by clicking onto the user settings, and within here, click onto my account. Now within the my account, simply scroll down towards the bottom and you can see this tab that is account removal. So disabling your account means you can recover it at any time after taking this action, but deleting your account is irreversible. So if you would like to only disable your account for a temporary period of time, you can simply click onto this disable account option. And also it says you own servers. So in order to delete or disable your account, you first must transfer ownership of all servers that you own. So this is about disabling, or if you want to delete your account, simply click onto this delete account and it will show you the same messages that you want, like you would have to delete or disable your account. You first transfer ownership of all servers that you own. So in order to fix it, what you can do is simply delete the server. So right click onto here, or if you don't want to try any particular transfership, you can simply delete the server. So after right clicking onto this, you can invite someone and then easily make them the particular permissions. Or apart from that, you can also go to the server settings and from here click onto this delete server, and then from here you will need to type in the name of this particular server in order to confirm. So this is Vents server, and then click onto this delete server, and now you can see that the server has been deleted. And now if you will go to the settings again, go to the my account, scroll to the bottom, and from here click delete account. You will need to type in your password and then click onto this delete account option, and it will delete your Discord account permanently. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.